Okay, let's come on live. Let's come on live. Okay, I think we're having an excellent connection right now. Okay, we're having an excellent connection right now. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Um. Okay. So. Okay. So now let's share. Let's share. Let's get started. Okay. So now we're live. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Make sure you're sharing it with your friends. Let's get started. Okay. So, okay. So I need my internet to be very good. Internet, my fault. Okay. Make sure you're okay today. The network. Hmm. Okay. I need this internet to be very, very good. Okay, I think it's showing excellent now. Okay. So, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. I think I need to put this fan on. Oh, so now let me check if the fan is not making noise. Okay, that's good. It's not making noise. So, good morning, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is my internet. Why is it showing poor? Come on. Hey, I don't see my people. Mr. Suraj, I see you. Why is this my internet like this? Come on, come on, come on. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay. Okay, so I think we can manage the internet the way it's doing. So I'm seeing my people right here. I'm seeing Mr. Suraj. Eh? Long time no see, so. I'm seeing Madam Juliana. I'm seeing FinTech Focus. FinTech Focus. Do I remember that? Do I remember that name? Do I remember that name? Okay. For the purpose of for the purpose of identification, let's drop our location and our name properly so that I can remember this fintech. Let's drop our location and our name. It's the first time after a very long time. Yeah, and then so it's been very long. It's the first time after a very long time, so it is very, very normal for us to have few people to be joining us. I know by the time people now know that we do this very well on a daily basis now, people will start joining every day. So, but of course, I know my own people. Okay, Madam Juliana, I see you. You're welcome. Make sure you drop your location and your name. Let's get acquainted. Okay. Before we start talking about charts, we need to talk about. I miss you guys, honestly. I'm back for good by the grace of God. Like I am back for good, for good, for good, for good, for profit, for consistency, for success. Okay, fintech. Suraj Dada is using fintech focus. It's my channel name. Okay, 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 okay. That's sorted then. Okay. Then we have, and then Sobut, where are you joining us from? Which other person do we have here? We have like another person is here that is not chatting yet. Okay, let's quickly do that within 2 minutes so that we can just get straight to the chat. Innocent, is it Innocent Obinna? Who is this Innocent? Innocent what? Where are you joining us from? Innocent from Abuja. Let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. I actually want our live session to be not lengthy, very short, let's say like 30 minutes or thereabout, just for us to do our analysis and wait for the market to prepare it for us, and then the following day we'll look at it again. So I have some setup that has not even activated. Like this one, it has activated since Friday, and I'm still waiting for you to actually smash my TP, which I believe it would. So Who do we have here? Who do we have here? Let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Okay. If you know me, if you know you can hear me, Now, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? I miss you guys. So if you know you are hearing me, and my screen is very clear, you can see my screen, you can hear me very loud and clear, just put yes in the chat box, and let's just get started right away. Other people will be joining us. Just put yes in the chat box. Let me start saying yes in the chat box if you can hear me loud and clear, and you can see me, and you can see my screen. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. I hope this my internet will do very well. Hey, my guy, don't join. Ismail, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you, Ismail. How you dey, Baba? How you dey? Yeah. Like it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Let me just see yes in the chat box so that we can get started. Let me see yes in the chat box so that we can get started. Make sure you like this. Make sure you share it. I want to know how do I put it now? This thing is lagging, but I want to know how long or how many seconds or how many minutes it's taking to lag. So I need you guys to respond immediately so that I will just know if I'm saying something that I need to wait for you guys to get it, how long I need to wait for you guys to get it before I move on to other things. Okay, and if you are just joining us, make sure you like, make sure you share with your people, because this time that we are back for good, come on, it's going to be back-to-back success. So let me see yes in the chat box. I'm only seeing one yes right here. Okay, now I'm seeing 2 yes. Okay, let's see if we can get more yes, and then we get started. Let's see if we can get more yes. And make sure you like. If you are just joining, make sure you like this, and make sure you share. Ooh, yeah. Nice, man. I miss you guys. I seriously miss you guys. I seriously miss you guys. Okay, I'm not getting more yes. Are you people hearing me? No data. Is my internet working at all? Internet, are you okay? Internet, you better be okay. Hey, I don't see my own person. Another very long student. You don't. Richard, how you doing now? Yeah. I miss all of you guys. Like, I miss everybody. Like, guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. I just had to do what I had to do. It's not easy. I miss you guys. I miss being on live every day talking about charts. I miss you guys. If you know you can hear me and you can see me loud and clear, just drop yes in the chat box. Let's get started, okay? I miss you guys, honestly. Let me see yes in the chat box, and I know you can hear me, you can see me, and then we can just get started into the chat right away. I need to show you guys some things. We need to have some conversation. We need to know the next line we are going to be following if we are actually moving together, and which I believe we are moving together. So let's have it. Yeah, I'm saying yes. Okay, innocent, yes. Madam Juliana, are you still with us? Where's your yes? Mr. Suraj, where's your yes? Are you guys with us? If you're just joining, make sure you like. Make sure you drop your location. Okay. So I think we should dive into the chat right now. So now how do I even start now? I don't even know. How do I even start? Okay, I believe you guys are seeing my screen. So in the past, I've been doing very well. Like before today, I've been doing very well. I just need to let you guys see some of my trades that I've been taking. Yes, the one that I took loss, you see it too. I took loss on this on Friday, but I made this. I think I was posting this on the group. If you are following, this trade did 1 to 5. I didn't take profits. I closed at break even. Okay. You have other trades that I have not deleted. You have other trades that I have not deleted. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, let's go to GBP USD. No, I don't think I have. Okay, I have a setup I'm waiting for on GBP USD. Like 3 setup I'm waiting for on GBP USD. I'm waiting for this, I'm waiting for this, I'm waiting for this. They are already cooked. Yes, this was a loss. Euro USD is one that is currently flowing. I have like 3 setup on that also. USD JPY, you know, took profit on this. Yeah, this trade was what the one I was waiting for. The market didn't come, so took advantage of this. Was it me that took this trade? Yeah, then I took advantage of this. I think I post this trade when I was taking it. I think I post this trade. So gold, yeah, this trade, I took this trade. GBP JPY have been a very good boy. Yeah, he has been a very good boy. I think I've deleted all the ones that I've been taking. I think I've deleted those ones. Okay, but the current one, the most recent one, was this trade. This trade, I didn't get my entry right on this, so this one was a loss. This trade, I think I posted this trade, so I've not gotten. This one was a missed entry. You pay me, papa. You pay me. Just look at it. I've just smashed another 1 to 2 right there. So CHFJPY, I also, this one, I think I posted this too. I took a loss on this. The market did not respect this, but it came to respect this. See how far it has gone. Yes, I did 1 to 2, but this trade will have, it has done how many? 1 to 8. It has done 1 to 8, but I did 1 to 2. Of course, I'm okay with the 1 to 2. Okay, so BTC also, BTC has also been a good boy. So I've been killing it on the low. You can see I've been killing it on the low. Okay, Ethereum too. I'm waiting for this setup to happen on Ethereum. I'm waiting for it. I need to happen. Just need this liquidity to be grabbed and then tap into my POI. I'm anticipating that. I've deleted a lot of trade. You can see this trade, pound, and it turned down. I've deleted a lot. Okay, I think there's another one here. Yeah, I love this trade so much. Let me go to 15 minutes. I believe you guys are seeing my screen, so just keep your question. Oh yeah, let me look for that trade. Man, I love this trade. I think I made some good money on this trade. 1 to 3. I had many positions running on this trade. This trade makes me some good money. I remember, was very happy. It was on a Friday. Yeah, Friday. It was on a Friday. I closed the week very profitably. Yeah. So you can see it's not every move that I'm cashing, but I'm cashing some good moves also. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame. I like to stay in 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I think that it's all for now. I'm still currently running on this trade with like 2 or 3 positions, and I'm expecting it to actually give me. So I'm waiting for this too. So now guys, do you just see that? Okay, I'm fine. Yeah, good morning. Ato, how you doing? Ato Cruz, how you doing? From Jos Plateau. Yeah, and then so boots. Okay, so I believe you guys have seen what I've been doing recently in the background, and then now is the time to actually start doing it live with you guys. It's the time to start actually doing it live with you guys. Basically, what I want to be doing every day is to actually analyze pairs together. Once we analyze the pair together, and I see an opportunity, I'll tell you guys that this is an opportunity that we can take advantage of, and then that will just be it. And if you don't have my watch, you can see my watch list is very small. How many pair do I have my watch list? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just 9 pairs. It's not up to 10. Just 9 pairs, not up to 10. Okay, so I have just like 9 pairs on my watch list, and I don't want to add more to it. Do you get? I don't want to add more to it. So, but of course, you might have your own watch list that is different from mine, and then you might just suggest, okay, I should help you to look into Nigeria pounds. I'll just look into it and we can do it, sharp. So, the way I'm trading now, can I see simple concept in the chat box? The way I'm trading now, I give it simple concept? Can I see simple concept in the chat box? Simple concept. Hashtag simple concept. That's the way I'm trading now. Simplified way. The most simplified way. I simplify everything that I've been learning. Simple concept. Can I see it in the chat box? Yes, Muslima. So simplified way, simple concept. That's it. Like, guys, if I tell you the story of how I get to this level, oh God, thank you. It was not easy. I paid. I had to go and how do I put it now? I had to go and I still say this story some other time when we are very much larger than this. I had to go and apply for a one-on-one with one of a big forex traders in Nigeria. It's one of those big forex traders. He's doing very well. This guy charges me crazy amount of money. But I just needed to simplify it and then stick to it. I don't want to, when you are trading, when you finally find an edge that work, just stick to that edge. Now, every one of you that you are here with me right now, it's not a must that you have to always trade the way I trade. If you have your own edge and that edge is making money for you, you don't have to change your edge. But this, I have stick to it. I have back tested. I have worked. I derived this out of everything that was taught to me in my one-on-one class, my VIP one-on-one class. It was fucking expensive. At least tomorrow it might not be expensive, but today that I'm talking to you guys, that money is fucking expensive. So I don't think I've paid that kind of money in my life to learn, just to acquire knowledge. I don't think I've paid that kind of money in my life just to acquire knowledge. But though it's a small money for some people, but it's not something I've paid before to learn. Like so simple concepts when we are trading, how to do top-down analysis, everything, you guys will learn it with me. And our way of trading, okay, we should this is I'm not even, oh sorry, F word because of YouTube. Okay, so it's freaking expensive. Instead of fucking, it's freaking expensive. So as I was saying, what was the point that I want to say the other time before? It is Aridoh. Yeah, Sakpada. So, okay. I was talking about top-down analysis. Okay, our service have changed now. We're not going to be doing like the way we are running DAOM Empire before. Abio, thank you, Jai, Madam Juliana. You know, one thing about me is I believe in excellence. I believe in excellence. So if I'm doing something and I'm saying that this thing that I'm doing is doing well, but it's not giving me the excellent result I want, I will not stop until I derive that excellence from it. So that's it. The way I'm trading before, yes, it's making us money, but it's not making us the consistent profit I want. And I don't like that. Where we are going, the dream, the ambition is way beyond it work today, did not work tomorrow. Yes, losses is very normal. Losses is very, very normal. At least in this trade that I've been taking, I think I show you guys some of the losses I took. Yes, losses is very, very normal. But at the same time, if you are taking losses, just know that that loss is either it is inevitable or it is your error. But taking losses back to back, then something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. So that is what I need to fix. That's what I need to fix. It is for my own self and for the people that believe in me. People like Mr. Suraj, people like Madam Juliana, people like Ndensobo, Tato Cruz, Richard, Muslima Online Ozu, and every other people that believed in me, that I know that when I give you guys instruction, you want to follow. So that's that, Sha. Enough of that. So now, if you have any pair that you want me to look at for you, because all my own peers right now, I think all my peers, I have analyzed it. I don't think I want to do any fresh analysis. This Euro USD, I'm waiting for you to play out. USD JPY, I'm waiting for you to play out. I have other peers that I'm waiting for them to actually play out. Ethereum, I'm waiting for you to come and activate for me. I've sent my pending order on them. Okay, for the benefit of people that are just joining, you may want to join this. Okay, let me put this USD JPY. You may want to put this trade. You may want to put it on your stuff too. Let's see if we can make money on it together. At least the Euro USD is playing out already, and the Ethereum too. Ethereum. Okay, let me drag this guy out like this. Let me drag this out like this. Guess what, guys? In as much as I'll be doing live session with you guys every day, the simple concept, I'm going to be talking about it, but I'm not going to be teaching the whole thing here. Of course, I will not do that. But of course, if you are in my mentorship, I'll be teaching all these things. So when you see me do it live, it makes sense to you. Just like the way that Paul Willis is doing. You get to buy his course, you understand his course, you understand his strategy, his way of trading. And when you watch his trader talk, you will understand the way he's doing what he's doing, how he's analyzing, what he's looking out for, because you have gotten that knowledge from his mentorship. So if you're in my mentorship, which we are going to be rolling out a new mentorship model, so you will understand what I look out for is very simple. I just look out for 3 things. I simplify 3 things when I'm doing analysis. 1, 2, 3, analysis is done. My entry, just 1 or 2 things. Stop loss, 1 thing. TP, simplify. You can see this trade that did, where is this trade? CHF JPY. CHF JPY. You can see how long this trade went, but I just took 1 to 2 because I'm okay with 1 to 2. I want something that can be consistent. I've taken trade that gave me 1 to 8, 1 to 10, but I just want something that is consistent, that before you know it, I'm out of the chart. So you can see how far this trade went. You can see how far the GBP JPY also went. You can see how far it went. So this one, it was very, very painful. It didn't activate for me. Very, very painful. It didn't activate for me. So guys, just you can just copy this and the entry. If you're not seeing it, I might type it out for you if you want. Just copy. I'm giving you this Ethereum and the USD JPY. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Richard. Yeah, I was talking about the DAOM Empire service. Yes, of course, I will talk about that. Of course, I'll talk about that. Simple concepts by Mr. Ismail. So you guys should just copy the USD JPY if you are interested. It's not a must. In case when the trade activates, we can actually experience it together. We hope it gives us some good money. Hey, I'm fasting. I cannot drink water, so my throat better be okay. So now, yeah, simple concept, ladies and gentlemen. Simplified way, like if I'm taking anybody in a mentorship right now, within 1 or 2 months, you should get it. Unless if you are totally new. Even if you are totally new, within 3 months, you should get it. It might just be for you to just keep practicing and keep practicing till you master it, but you should get it within 2 to 3 months. Even if you are totally new, within 2 to 3 months, you should get it. Because I've simplified it. It's just 3 things that you need to look out for. Once you have identified your trend, and how do you identify your trend? You know when market is going downtrend, you know when market is going uptrend. So you know those things. So once you identify that market is going uptrend or market is going downtrend, just apply 3 things. 3 things, ladies and gentlemen. 3 things. Put 3 things in the chat box. 3 things, ladies and gentlemen. Put 3 things. Look for 3 things. Once you get the 3 things, your analysis is done. And you're just going to be catching pips the way I'm catching all these pips. Trust me. Trust me. My internet better be good. Yeah, 3 things. Just 3 things. You're done. And these 3 things, it's not as if it's just what can we be looking for 3 things. You have to look for liquidity, you have to look for fair value gap, you have to look for imbalance, you have to look for equal high, you have to look for the sweep of all those things have been embedded inside the 3 things. So instead of you to be looking at then this market does not have STPA, I have to see MOT, I have to see all those jargons English. You know everything I learn, but it's not, it doesn't make sense. I just have to simplify everything. Simple concept, honestly. So simple concept. Let's simplify it. Let's simplify it. Let's simplify it. Okay, so let me know if you are interested, if you have copied the USD JPY and the so that I can put it to Ethereum. Anybody that is interested can also copy it. Even if you are not interested, still put it on your demo. Let's have the experience together. If you have a demo account, put it there. Put it on your demo account. Let's just experience this together, okay? My internet better be good. Better be a good boy today. Yeah. So if you have copied the USD JPY, let me know. So that I can switch to the Ethereum. I believe you guys are seeing the parameters. I believe you guys are seeing the parameters. So if you have copied the USDJPY, let me know. Of course, when frequently, let me say subsequently, when we'll start doing our live session now, I will not be putting all this buy or sell position. I will not be putting it up like this because I'll be retaining that for the people in my signal channel. Guys, give me 1 minute. Give me 30 seconds. Okay. So let me know if you have copied it. If not, let me know so I can put it to the Ethereum setup. And if you have your home pair you want me to actually help you to look at right now, just put it in the comment section that I should help you to look at this particular pair. I'll just look at it for you. That's what this life is all about. Let's catch the pips together. I'm waiting. So while we're doing that, I'll be rolling out our new mentorship offer, our new mentorship service. If anybody is interested, maybe okay, I'll look at NAS 100. I'm coming. Maybe if you're interested in the mentorship, you can ask for it. I'll just let you know the requirements. I will actually be starting a group mentorship. Immediately we finish Ramadan, that will be next month, April. So I'll be rolling that out for group mentorship. So which we are going to be having a Zoom, and we are going to be having it's going to be a 2-month mentorship session. And trust me, I'm just teaching you the simple concept, simplify it. I've been with a lot of mentors, I've been with a lot of people that are doing well for themselves, but the people that I see that I admire so much are people that simplify the way they trade. They just say it's just one thing that they look out for every day in the chart. Once they see that one thing, they are okay. If they do not see that thing, they are not taking trade that day. That is when you know you have a system that works. Okay, so let me quickly look at NAS 100. Before looking at NAS 100, has everybody finished looking at this? And I want to actually end this live session right now. We've done like 38 minutes. So let me look at Ethereum. So if you want to, this is Ethereum figure. So you can see the figure right here if you want to copy it too. So that I quickly look at the NAS 100. Quickly copy the Ethereum if you are interested in it. Even if you are not interested, still copy it and put it on your demo. See how it works. Let's experience it together. Let's experience it together. Okay, so in 1 minute time, I'll be going to look out for NAS 100. In 1 minute's time. So if you are copying the Ethereum, better be fast. Better be fast. We have less than 30 seconds. Yes, of course, I have package for one-on-one students also. because I believe that one-on-one thing, because I just finished having a one-on-one session with one of the big forex trader in Nigeria. One-on-one actually goes a long way in helping you to gain mastery in this forex industry, because you tend to shut out the noise. I've applied for a lot of group mentorship. When you're having a group mentorship, the mentor might be teaching all of you. Some people will be getting it, some people will not be getting it. Some people will be having questions that if it is one-on-one, they can easily ask that question, but because they are doing a group mentorship, they can't ask that question at that time, or the attention will not be on if they understand it. They will just be teaching everybody generally. And another funny thing, one of the biggest disadvantage of group mentorship is that if your mentor happens to be pissed, maybe one of the students pissed your mentor, he did something or he says something that pissed him off, it might actually take it out on everybody. Like, okay, because of what this person did or because of what this person does, then we are done for this session. What you are supposed to learn at that time, or what you are supposed to get from that person at that time, the person might just stop it. That's one of those things that I learned, that if you are doing one-on-one, there's a lot of advantage to it. What people will get within months, within a long period of time, you get it within few minutes, few time. Okay, I need my internet to be good. It's poor right now. I need it to be good. Okay, so I want to go into, I need this internet to be good. I need it to be good. Can you guys hear me and see me clearly? Let me know, because this thing is telling me a poor network right here. It's giving me a poor signal right here. Can you guys hear me and see me clearly? Can you guys hear me and see me clearly? This internet is giving a poor signal right here. I need feedback from you guys. Okay, so it's looking good from our end. I'm not lagging. Okay, that's good to know. Thank you, Madam Juliana. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Mr. Suraj. Okay, so now let's quickly look at NAS 100 for the sake of Mr. Richard. NAS 100. I like to look at NAS 100 from here. Okay. So obviously, what are we seeing here? Is this market on an uptrend or a downtrend? So let's just quickly put our simple concept into action right away. Okay, so on a weekly time frame, this market was trending up, and since how many weeks now? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's over 1 month now. This market has been trending down. Obviously, you can see. So we are working with this trend right now. Okay. So where is this market coming to? Wow, this market, okay, but in as much as I know that there's a liquidity here that this market has grabbed, this market might be pushing up from here, provided that if they sponsor it from here properly. Okay, so because it just took out in liquidity right here, so after taking out this inducement, so now let's go to 4 hours. In as much as we know that this market is on a downtrend, but it has hit a spot that can reverse the market to the upside. It has hit a spot, it has taken out an inducement, it has taken out a liquidity that can reverse it, and that's why you can see that after it take out this, it has been struggling to continue going down. So now let's look at what it has in store. So this market is on a downtrend. It got to somewhere that is going to actually push it up. So now if this market is dedicated to be going to the downside, this thing is actually just going to engineer the retracement to a certain level and the market will continue going down, or the market will just continue pushing up. But right now, what is the market telling us? We know it's on a downtrend. It has hit a spot that can push it to the upside. On 1 hour time frame, our inducement. Okay, I'm coming, guys. There are 3 things that we look out for: manipulation, break of structure, and inducement. Just 3 things that we are looking out for. So I would have said we should be capitalizing on this, but market is not here yet. And if this market can push above here, let's see right now, this market has done this. If this market can push above here, this thing is not even complete. It's not complete. The sweep of liquidity here is not complete. The fair value gap, the inducement. Now I'm not seeing a good setup here. Relation, relation, break of structure, inducement. Those are the 3 things that I put in the chat box that I look out for. Okay, how this my internet is doing very well, Sha. So it's showing no data here. Showing no data here. Poor network. Can you guys hear me? Okay, I don't know if you guys can still hear me. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. The network, is it back? The network, is it back? Action. Okay, okay. Thank you for giving me that feedback. Because this my internet is showing me poor network here. So I'm not seeing a very good setup on NAS 100 right now. If I see it immediately I will identify it. Yeah. The network is it's poor, and MTN network is always proving to be better in this my office area. Huh? I don't know what happened today now. I'm still playing around. Okay, so Mr. Richard, I'm not saying something that actually align with my way of trading. I'm not saying something that actually align. Do you get that? I'm not saying that trade is at a, I will have said you should catch a buy on it, but that buy does not have a smart money reversal in it. That buy, let me go back. Sorry. That buy does not have a smart money reversal in it, so we'll just be calling it. We'll be calling it a day from here. If they say the trade was still here and we had this, we can capitalize on this move to the upside. But it has played out already. It has played out already. I'll say we should capitalize on this move. But this move does not have a smart money reversal in it. This leg right here does not have a smart money reversal. So the tendency that this price will push this old trend back up is unlikely unless we start seeing it doing it, then we now take advantage of it. It's very, very unlikely. It's very, very unlikely. But it might push it up. I'm not saying it's not going to push it up. It might push it up. It might push it up. And this might push it down. So the market is at a crossroad, like indecision. Does not make a decision. Okay. So let's wait for the market to decide where it is going. Then we now take advantage of the movement. We take advantage of the movement. So right now, no reasonable setup. As a matter of fact, I'm not seeing a very, very good fair value gap we can even capitalize on. So that is that about that. Euro USD, are you mad? You better come down and then let's end this trade since Friday. What think they happen now? I know it's going to actually decide before the New York or during the New York session, because this London session, no, they move like the way I like it again. Okay, so that's that about that, guys. Can we call it a day right now? Do you have any question? Any question, or we should call it a day? Any question, or we should call it a day? Do you have any question, or we should just call it a day right now? Do you have any question, or we just call it a day? Give me like few seconds. Oh yeah. Should we call it a day? Okay. So since there's no question, then we can call it a day. Tomorrow, let's meet up again by the grace of God the same time around 9 a.m. That's the London opening session, and let's see what the market have for us. Of course, by the grace of God, all these trade, one of them will have actually make a decision. The Euro USD will have make a decision. The USD JPY, the Ethereum, any one of them might have just activate. So and we can have a review on it together. Okay, can have a review on it together. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Let me see some bye bye in the chat box. Let's call it a day. Okay, before I go, okay. I'm coming, guys. I want to flash something before you guys. Hey, internet. Where did I even save this thing? Let me bring up my Telegram link. To 15 seconds. Sometimes 1 minute, even 15 seconds. Okay. So I'll start rolling out our mentorship and every other service we want to offer one after the other. So for now, at the close of this our session, my network is now very strong. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what's wrong with this network? Okay. So guys, either way, we are done. Let's call it a day. Okay. Let's call it a day. So see you guys tomorrow, the same time, London session 9 a.m. Take care.